Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassie. If this is your first time here, in today's video, I'm going to be straightening my naturally curly hair, and I'm going to hope it turns out good because I'm using totally new products I've never used before. Even like the products I used to wash, condition, deep condition, to the products that I'm going to use to blow dry, all that good stuff. So yeah, these are things that I've never used before, which is probably not a good idea, but I'm gonna go with it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use to wash and condition. So I first washed my hair with the Marc Anthony, I almost said Marc Jacobs, the Marc Anthony Strengthening Grow Long Shampoo, followed up with the conditioner. And to deep condition my hair, I use the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Deep Hydrating Mask. I know it says it's for curly hair, but I like that it said deep hydration. So I've just rinsed out the deep conditioner and I have like a t-shirt on my hair. And this is what my curls are looking like. They are totally like, my hair has never been so soft. Okay, so the method that I'm going to be trying out is the banding method because my hair, I have a lot of shrinkage. That's just a thing with natural hair. And I want to get, you know, the sleekest, straightest style that I possibly can. So I think I'm going to try the banding method. So right now, since my hair is just a little damp in some spots, I'm going to try this Eden Body Works Hydrating Serum. And I'm going to put this all over my hair and then detangle, and then I'm going to band it so it can dry in a stretched form. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do like the 4 sections. So now that I've got one section here, I'm going to go ahead and just roughly like finger detangle really quick. So this serum is from the Almond Marshmallow line, and it's the hydration serum, and it says you can apply it to wet or dry hair and set or style as desired. Repeat daily as needed. So it smooths out frayed hair and split ends, nourishes dry, brittle hair, used to protect hair against daily pollution and heat damage. So I'm hoping to use this as like a pre-heat damage treatment. I'm gonna try to just take like a dime size amount. It smells pretty good too, and I'm not even a fan of like almond, but it doesn't have too much like of that like almond extract scent. I hate that. I think it's disgusting. So I grabbed my bristle Denman brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth out that section. I think this will work better than a comb because I'm able to like smooth down my hair. Okay, so obviously the first band is gonna go like right at my root. Okay, and then I'm just gonna keep making sure that my hair is smooth, and then I'm gonna go down about 1.5 inches and then put another band. All right, so now I'm gonna move on to this section right here. All right, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna add a little bit of the serum. The serum is very lightweight. It's not like sticky or thick, which is nice because I feel like it's not gonna weigh my hair down when I get ready to flat iron it. All right, so there are my first 2 sections, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side, and then yeah, we're gonna let it dry a little bit more, and then we'll be back to blow dry. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair dry a little bit more, and then I'll be right back. So I am back. It's been about 20-30 minutes, and I didn't want my hair to dry too much. Like I didn't want it to dry all the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and start blow drying. I think that tying my hair up helped a lot because I didn't lose too much length. Like I think I can get it back. This side looks a lot better than this side though. I don't know what I did. Maybe I have, oh, I've got one more tie on here. Now, another product that is new that I'm gonna try is this Eden Body Works Blowout Cream. And this is from their Hibiscus and Honey line. And I've seen a bunch of people use this, and I just wanna try it. I'm gonna see if it works really well. I'm gonna start out with 2 pumps and put that over my hair. So I'm going to blow dry my hair on the warm setting, and then I'm gonna start with low. I'm going to use so when I'm blow drying, I'm gonna use this nozzle. It's like a focused one, so that way it gets right in there as I'm blow drying my hair. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So here is the first section done. My hair doesn't feel super dry, and I mean dry like brittle dry. Obviously it's dry because I just blow dried it, but it doesn't feel like brittle. Yeah, that's the only word that I can really use to describe it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair, and then I'll be right back. So I pretty much just straighten my hair like in 2 sections, and then I'll just grab like little pieces and work from the bottom up. So I'm gonna take my Denman brush, and I'm going to like use that as a comb. I know some people use a comb for the chasing method. I'm gonna use my Denman brush, and I have my flat iron here. This is just, what brand is this? Absolute Heat. I don't even know. I think I got this at like Marshall's or something like that, and it's on 415 degrees. And I'm going to flat iron my hair. Oh, this looks really good. And I just did 2 passes just because the first one had like a little bit of a bump, but it feels super, super smooth, so I'm excited. So I'm just gonna place the Denman brush like in my hair and then hold it, and then with the other hand, I'll run my flat iron through. Okay, so that is 1 pass, and it's not as straight as I would like it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. So far, I really like the way that my hair feels. It doesn't feel dry. Even my ends feel good. I know they probably don't look that good because I do need to trim them, but they feel really healthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this side, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done with this side, and then we'll get started with the last side. So yeah, I'm done with the first side. It's not as flat as I would like, but I don't know, I just can't seem to get my natural hair to be super sleek when it is straight. Okay, so I am done. I started getting a little sweaty, so I feel like my hair is just already puffing and it's not really straight.